Monday morning, bright and early, no rain, which is a good thing. Right, we're at Euro Auctions again in Leeds. We're here with a lorry. We're just delivering a load of good stuff into here today, and we're going to reload. We've got stuff come out of here, and we've got one of Martin Hall's lorries here with us today, but no trucker Tim. Or tractor Tim come to that. Tractor Tim's back at the yard. Anyway, we're going to get loaded. Busy yard here. It never ceases to amaze me what goes on here, and the cost about the machinery that's on the move here. Like a military operation here with forklifts and stuff in. There's one forklift that ain't big enough, so we're just going to get a bigger one. No messing here. No messing at all. There's my whole Scania going in. Right. My lorry's loaded. A few fuel barrels on there. But we'll look nothing like that when we finish with them. Hall agriculture's lorry here. That does look smart. He's got a nice load on there on his trailer. Loaded very swiftly out of here. Another good job as always. Now for all the people that you think we can find at auction, there we go. Camper convertible there. I think it went through the last auction, so I think it's not selling anymore. But amazing what you find here, isn't it? Look at that.
Got a new tie! Look at it! Ah! Isn't that cute? That's more my style, that. Look at me go!
As you venture out the office again today, we come across Tim, Tractor Tim, who is now JCB Tim.
Telehandler Tim today.
Oh, telehandler Tim today, who is now photographing this 2022 53695 telehandler to put on the market and sell it. So if you're looking for a telehandler, contact
Telehandler Tim, 07497 557 567.
And they'd be happy to sell you. There's two of these for sale. 2022, still under manufacturer's warranty, and he'd be happy to sell it to you. They're getting quick, these won't be around for very long. It's amazing to see Tim out in the rain, actually. Look at that for shine on the trailer. We'll show you more pictures in a minute when it comes outside. Another one out of the paint shed. Doesn't that look sharp? Look at the shine on that. Look at the good finish on it. trusty little Ford tractor. Delivery day for a happy farmer. JCB 403. Off on its travels, going out on 24-month hire. The Mark's off with that today, a little journey. Shame really, because it's just over 2.7 tonnes, which is just over the legal weight for towing behind a pickup. So we are sending to the lorry. Probably a bit of an overkill, but got to be right, got to be legal. There's no point in putting the driver at risk of a few points. Look at the wide tyres on that. That's quite cool. Don't know much about them really. Never used one. But there she goes.
There's been one of the new additions. Just stick it up. Comes pre-stick it up. I think this has actually been a PEX Open day. And the TM. We'll go do the paperwork. We'll get some keys. I'm going to play with this one. Right. Well, we'll take her home then. And then we'll get it out to its new home this week. Thank you to PEX.
Right. A little evening excursion to our local Tesco Extra supermarket. Now, those that know me well know how I embrace technology and love the way that the world is moving forward. Not. Anyway, I was persuaded to use one of these little scan things. Okay, so you get a little handheld scanner, and every item you pick up and put in your trolley, you scan. Right, big. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Apparently this is the way forward. Apparently it saves checkout people. Apparently it saves time. Right. So Michael gets the checkout with his trolley. Call for assistance. I must look really dodgy because they then scanned what was in my trolley. So what is the point of me scanning everything as I go, only to get it checked when I get to the checkout? I don't know. Please, in the answers boxes in the box below. Also quite sad when you look at the apples, gall of apples imported from Austria. Now, with keeping this planet green and there's all these things that we're meant to be doing these days, how can that be helping the planet, shipping apples from Austria to the UK when the UK grows a very, very good quality apple? So I don't know. Answers in the box below. Michael's essential shopping. I think the dog food comes to far more than my food, but our three German Shepherds do eat a fair old bit each day. But there we go. What a crazy week we've had here at GCS, and a lot going on. So it's a very mixed match video this week of stuff we've been doing. You've seen some great stuff coming out of our paint shop. A Bailey trailer there that sorry, came in here looking not so pretty, is leaving here looking extremely smart. Fuel bouncers leaving that were refurbished. Lovely beyond and lovely light blue, which I think Harvey's going to put the picture up for now. Look really cool. We've had grain trailers going out on hire. We've got fuel bouncers going out on hire. We've had loads and loads of new stock arriving for us to get on with, so we're not short of little projects to do. You've seen my adventure at Tesco. I don't get it. I really don't get that. But anyway, Tim gets some new toys this week. Some JCB telehandlers and the TM. I'm sure you're going to see some more of those in another video. We've had the man come along and bought a wood chipper. He bought his own logs to put through it, to test it, and very pleased to say that it performed perfectly. So another very happy and satisfied customer. So a lot going on this week. And yes, TikTok. One of our videos has now done over 400,000 views. Yeah, 400,000. I don't understand it all. Absolutely crazy. So if you go on TikTok, GCS Machinery on there. Please look at some of the videos we've done there. Please click and subscribe. Our channel is growing weekly. I think at the moment we've got something like about 3,000 800 subscribers, which is absolutely awesome, and quite humbling to think that people are taking the time and bother to watch us. We've had something like about 175,000 views in the last 28 days, and something like about 76,000 watch hours of time. People have watched us for 76,000 hours, so absolutely crazy, unbelievable that people are supporting us that well. So thank you very much. Please click in the box below and click and subscribe, and we'll see you again very shortly. Thank you.